It is week 4 to 5 hair on Simply Shev, where we're using mini braids to grow our natural hair long, healthy and strong. As you know, mini braids is the method that I've used to grow my natural hair to waist length, and I'm sharing it with you how I do this. In this week video, we're going to talk to you about my routine, trusted routine that I've been using over the past 3 years that is really simple, really cheap, and gets me to my hair growth goals. I've talked about hair growth goals in a previous video, so go ahead and check that out. How to set smart goals to grow your natural hair. And week by week, as you see me go through my routine, that's how I'm going to do the little steps that allow me to get to my big goals. And so let's first talk about moisturizing, how I moisturize my mini braids. If your natural hair type is anything like mine, 4B, 4C, it gets really dry. It gets dry from the environment. As we are in the UK and it's now winter, it gets dry from the indoor atmosphere, from the radiators and wherever the heat source is coming from the hats, and from the various things that we're covering our natural hair with. And so got to make sure that you put moisturizer in there. The main moisturizer that I use on my hair is S-Curl non-drip. I've talked about S-Curl non-drip on my channel many times before, but S-Curl no drip curl activator moisturizer, the blue and white bottle, is a spray, a hair spray to grow our natural hair long, and it says it should be used daily and it can soften and strengthen your natural curly or wavy hair. And it contains botanical conditioning agents including argan oil and olive oil, as well as vitamins that strengthen, eliminate breakage, and gives your hair a natural healthy sheen, and it never leaves your hair feeling greasy. Direction for use: hold the bottle about 6 inches away from your hair, spray the S-Curl activator on evenly all over your head, using your fingers, massage completely through your hair, then style as desired. Use daily to maintain proper moisture balance. And I can vouch for this product. It's very cheap. It's under £5. You can get it in different sizes, and it really does what it says on the bottle. So that's my moisturizer of choice, my S-Curl no drip, which I use all the time. And you can either spritz your hair with some water before you put this on, because that allows the moisture to go a bit longer. So if you want your product to last a bit longer, spray it first with water and then add this product on. I'm just showing you what my hair is looking like there, week 4 to 5. I'm not getting very much growth here. I'm feeling like my hair is in a bit of a resting phase. That's okay. You know, the hair growth cycle, our hair is not always in a growth phase. Sometimes it's resting, and sometimes on the challenge we get less growth than at other times. So I'm not really worried if I end up getting an inch or just under an inch. Growth is growth, and so I'm happy with this amount of growth that I've gotten. And so S-Curl is my moisturizer of choice. Along the length of my hair, I spray that on, and then I always seal that in with a grease. Any grease will do. I've been using Pureline, Jamaican Pureline grease. You can use any other grease to seal in that moisture in your hair. The main thing is to make sure that the moisture is sealed into your hair. For my scalp, I use virgin hair fertilizer. Talked about virgin hair fertilizer. Got sulfur in there, and I use it on my scalp thinly, sometimes a bit too thick, on my scalp to give me that boosted growth that I can get from nowhere else. And so I'm growing my hair out with this. I've got a playlist actually on using virgin hair fertilizer to grow out my natural hair. So check out the playlist for more detailed information. But I basically look for my scalp, and then I apply the product, concentrating a lot on my edges or where there's breakage, because I think that's where I see the most from the product, along my edges. So virgin hair fertilizer is a great growth aid. It's got its own playlist here on my channel. That is the hair growth aid that I'm using even at week 4. Once again, I'm not seeing a lot of growth this time, but that's fine because my hair's probably resting, just not always growing. And so I just make sure that I get the virgin hair fertilizer all over my head, distributed evenly, distributed in all areas of my scalp to ensure that I get an even amount of growth on my hair. It's looking beautiful actually, week 4 to 5. This was the week 4 to 5 update. So I'm very happy. It's looking good now. It's looking moisturized. It's actually looking thicker than the first few weeks of when I've installed this. So I really tend to enjoy my style at this point because my hair looks thicker and fuller, and I can start to just ease gently into my hair growth challenge. I hope you are enjoying this challenge. I hope you are seeing a lot of growth. Hopefully you're seeing more growth than even me. Let me know how you're getting on in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button if this is your first video viewing on my channel. I love to hear from you. I love to interact with my audience. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, share it with someone that you think will benefit, and also leave me a comment down below to let me know how you're going on, or to let me know what else I should cover while we are doing this challenge. Thank you so much. So I'm continuing. I'm just making sure that the virgin hair fertilizer is all over my scalp. And once again, if you are interested in using virgin hair fertilizer to grow your natural hair out, the good news is I've got tons of videos on this on my playlist section. Check them out. I will try to link them in this video, but check them out for just like detailed information, the benefits of using this product. It really does give you growth. Some of the drawback gives you build up. So I'll get some more build up on this. I've got to keep on top of my washing game, making sure that I clarify my hair as well. I do that when I'm using this product, this growth hair. I did have a break from virgin hair fertilizer. You may have noticed that I didn't talk very much about it on my channel. And so I do take breaks from this product in order to help my scalp to grow better. That's my own sort of theory. If I stop using it and then start, I might get a charged up growth from it. But I do get boosted growth from it. It doesn't contribute to all my hair growth, because my hair growth is done through the routine that I share on here. I take care of my scalp, the length of my hair, I seal that in, I protective style my hair, and that's where I get most of my growth from. But these growth aids really do help me to get that added amount of growth. And so yeah, that is my scalp for the virgin hair fertilizer, and that's the length of my hair for Esco. And now you see me putting in my grease of choice. Any amount, any grease will do. I even say, you know, the cheap Vaseline will do. I'm just trying to make sure that the product that I put in previously, the moisture stays in my hair. And there's my mini braids looking gorgeous, beautiful, gorgeous. I'm loving the look of these mini braids on my natural hair. My hair is growing out nicely and it's thickening, which is part of the goals for this year. I know I don't have to have a trim, probably mid-year coming up, and so that will be part of it as well. But I can say it looks beautiful. I'm really loving it, and it's growing nicely and it's thickening. If you are using mini braids to grow your natural hair, share any comments, any tips you have down below. If you're not using them, give it a go. Let this video be the motivation to do it. And this is all I do for the whole week. If it's not a wash week, that's all I do, and I leave it for a whole week. And this moisturizing stays in for a whole week, especially in the colder months like now. If it's the warmer months, I tend to do this 2 times or 3 times a week. But honestly, it's just once a week and it's working out for my hair. Give this long-term protective style a go. I can't say it enough. I've got so much playlist on using mini braids. And if it didn't work, I wouldn't keep on making these videos. But mini braids really do work to grow your natural hair out long. I want to say thank you so much for my beautiful hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.